So I wanted to work this to further review power to a power, because this is part of what's going to be on your test on Friday. Okay, so let's do the first question at the top. Now the first question at the top has everything inside this parentheses being what? It's being cubed, right? So let's do that. So I've got 1/3, and then let's cube everything inside this parentheses right here. So I need to say, what is 3 cubed? Now, I don't do 3 times 3, do I? Because 3 is a coefficient, it's not an exponent. So 3 cubed is what? 27. And then t squared cubed, that is a power being raised to another what? When you have a power to a power, what do you do with the exponents? So that'd be t to the 6th. Now what we need to do is take this 1/3 and distribute it to the 27, right? What's 1/3 of 27? 9. So I've got 9 t to the 6th, and we're done simplifying that first one. Okay, let's do the second one. So on the second one, before I can multiply 0.01 times 10y squared, I first have to what? Cube it. That's right. And so I got to take 10 and I've got to cube it. What is 10 cubed? What is 10 cubed? 1,000. Remember, 10 cubes means 10 times 10 times 10. And then I had to take y squared and cube it. What does that equal? Y to the 6th power. Now, the reason I didn't add those, but I multiplied, is because 2 is a power and 3 is another power. We're raising a power to a power, so you multiply. That's the rule. Now I need to take the 0.01 and multiply it by 1,000. And what do you get? 10. So I have 10 y to the 6th. That's my answer right there. Let's reduce this last one. On this last one, I need to do -2 squared. That means -2 times -2, which is 4. And then I have y cubed squared, which is y to the 6th power. Okay, on this first one right here, there's this -5 is being cubed. So Carly, what's -5 cubed? -100 and? And then I've got y squared being cubed. And what's that, Carly? Y to the 6th power. Very good. All right, Hayden, on this one, I've got b to the x being raised to the y power. So when you have a power to a power, what do you do with the exponents? Multiply. And so this is going to be b to the what power?
10 o'clock.
xy power, exactly. Just follow the rule. When you have a power being raised to another power, you just multiply. So he got it exactly right. Okay. Avery, on this one, I've got 5xp squared. So what's 5 squared?
25.
And then I have xp being squared, and that's going to be x to the what power? When you have a power to a power, you just what?
Multiply, so it would be 2p.
2p power. Very good.
I didn't know if that was right or not, because I didn't know if you could have all.
Yeah, so it's perfectly fine to have variables in the exponent. You see what I'm saying? Just follow the rules. It doesn't matter. Let's say I had 2 raised to the stickman power, all raised to the smiley face power. That's more of a straight face, isn't it? Okay? Just follow the rules. I've got an exponent being raised to another what? So just do what I've told you. Multiply. So this would be 2 to the stickman, smiley face, power, right? You just multiply the exponents, okay?